Hi everyone, welcome to Allu Srinivas Maths. Now we discuss another method in solution of triangles. In this method, they have given two sides and included angle. Here they have given three elements of a triangle. We have to find remaining three elements of a triangle. This process is called the solution of the triangle. In this method, given two sides and included angle. For example, side find side A by using a square, side B for using B square formula, side C by using C square formula, and remaining angles use the cosine rule cos A, cos B, cos C formulas. Now we take a problem in this method. Solve the triangle ABC with side B equal to 1, side C equal to root 3, angle A equal to 30 degrees. First you have to write the given values and then finding the remaining values. Side A and angle B and angle C. First you have to find side A because of they have given maximum sides. For side A, you write the formula A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Known value substitute in this formula. B square is a 1, C square is a 3, minus 2, B is a 1, C is a root 3 into cos 30 degrees. 1 plus 3, 4, minus 2 root 3, cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. 4 minus 2 to cancel, root 3 into root 3 is a 3. And then 4 minus 3 is a 1. A square equal to 1 and finally A equal to 1. This is the required side. Next we have to find angle B and angle C for using cosine rule formulas. Cos B equal to A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. Where A square is a 1, C square is a root 3 square 1 and B square is 1 square is a 1 by 2A where A is a 1 and C is a root 3 and 1 minus 1 cancel, 3 by root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by 2 into root 3. Root 3 cancel and finally root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 can be written as in cosine terms cos B equal to cos 30 degrees. Both sides cos term cancelled and then B equal to 30 degrees. This is the required angle. Next we have to find angle C by using cosine rule. Cos C equal to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB, or the relation between the three angles A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees, where A is 30 degrees and B is 30 degrees plus C equal to 180 degrees. 60 degrees sent to RHS side, 180 minus 60 degrees. And then C equal to 120 degrees. This is the required angle. Here the solution, side A equal to 1, angle B equal to 30 degrees and angle C equal to 120 degrees. Next we take another problem in this method. Solve the triangle ABC with side A equal to 2, side C equal to root 3 plus 1, angle B equal to 60 degrees. First you have to write the given values and then find remaining values, side B and angle A and angle C. First you have to write the formula for side B. B square equal to A square plus C square minus 2ac cos b. Known values substitute in this formula, where a square is a 2 square is 4, c square root 3 plus 1 whole square minus 2 into a, to c is the root 3 plus 1, and cos b cos 60 degrees. And then simplify 4 plus, use a plus b whole square formula, 3 plus 1 plus 2ab 2 root 3 minus 2 to 4 of root 3 plus 1, cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. 4 plus 3 plus 1 8 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 cancelled in 4 minus multiply by 2 minus 2 root 3 minus 2, and then 2 root 3 cancel, 8 minus 2 is a 6, b square equal to 6, and then finally b equal to root 6. This is the required side b. Next we have to find angle A and angle C by using cosine rule. Cos A equal to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc, where b square is 6 and c square, use the root 3 plus 1 whole square. Finally 4 plus 2 root 3 minus a square is the 4 divided by 2bc. b is the root 6 and c is the root 3 plus 1. And then simplify, 4 minus 4 cancel, 6 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 6 into root 3 plus 1. Numerator and denominator 2 cancelled, 3 plus root 3 divided by root 6 into root 3 plus 1. Numerator take root 3 from two terms, root 3 of root 3 plus 1, root 3 into root 3 is a 3, and plus root 3, root 6 of root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 cancel in numerator and denominator, and then finally root 3 by root 6. Root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2. And root 3 cancel in numerator and denominator. And cos A equal to finally 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 can be written as in cosine terms cos 45 degrees. Both sides cos cancelled in a required angle A equal to 45 degrees. Next we have to find angle C by using cosine rule. Cos C equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab, or the relation between the angles a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees, where a is a 45 degrees and b is a 60 degrees plus c equal to 180 degrees. 45 plus 60 is 105 degrees sent to RHS side, 180 degrees minus 105 degrees. Then finally angle C equal to 75 degrees. This is the required angle of this problem. Thank you.